Hey everyone, I'm Yuto and today on Statue I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and delicious 10-minute teriyaki beef bowl with a wasabi twist. Let's get straight to it. I'm going to start by making the sauce, so grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of wasabi paste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix those until smooth. I know it seems like a lot of wasabi, but the spiciness completely disappears when it's cooked. Okay, now let's prepare the beef. I have 450 grams of beef steak here, and I'll start by seasoning it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add about half tablespoons of potato starch and mix it until evenly coated. Heat your pan on high and add about half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Once it's nice and hot, throw the beef straight in there and spread it out evenly. We just want to brown it on one side. While this cooks, I just want to mention that your rice should already be cooked before you start this recipe. It's that quick. Okay, once it's looking nice and browned like this, add the sauce and mix it around. You might think it's strange not to brown the other side, and you can if you like, but this way I can finish these bite-sized beef with medium rare while thickening the sauce. Once the sauce has turned thick and glossy, and the beef is no longer pink on the outside, take the pan off the heat. Here I have my bowl of cooked rice fresh out the rice cooker. I'm just going to top it with some shredded cabbage for a little added crunch, then spoon the beef and sauce on top. As you can probably see, the wasabi paste has given the teriyaki sauce a bit of a cloudy appearance. The texture is almost creamy, only leaving the aroma of wasabi. And you'll be surprised at how mild the wasabi flavour gets after just a few minutes on the heat. Sprinkle the top with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Then for those like me who love a fiery kick, add a little extra wasabi on the side. And that's it, quick, easy and delicious wasabi infused teriyaki beef bowl. And I have a free mobile app now where you can easily follow the steps during the actual cooking. This is a great way to use as an in-kitchen companion after watching my YouTube videos. The download link is in the description. Thank you everyone who voted for that one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to read more about this recipe, check out my blog. The link is on the screen now. Hope to see you all in the next one. Take care.